In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the filter in your shop vac, so maybe you can make it last a little bit longer and you don't need to buy a new filter every single time. If you want to, you can, but if not, let me show you. All shop vacs are kind of similar. With this one, pull up on these. I'm sure you've done this to empty it. And flip it around, and here is your super dirty filter. And again, you've probably changed these, but you have this right here. Be careful so don't make a mess. And then you can lift this filter up, and that is a dirty, dirty, clogged filter. So to clean this, this is what I like to do. I get a trash bag. I'll use this construction bag, brand new, and then I can use it for other trash afterwards. I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm gonna put my filter in here like this, carefully, and then I can wrap the bag around my arm nice and tight like this, and then find something solid like a workbench. And I'm just gonna tap it on here, and as I'm doing this, I'm rotating the filter, and I can actually feel the bottom of the bag getting heavier as all this stuff is falling. And as you'll notice, no dust whatsoever, and that's why I like to use the bag. When you're done, your hand might be a little dirty, but your filter is nice and clean. And if you wanted to, you could see I've done this many times with this thing, and it actually might be time to get a new filter. All these are getting kind of crushed, but it's still working. And this filter is probably like 10 years old, to be honest with you. But you could go in here and maybe take a screwdriver or a pick and dig out anything that's stuck in there. And you can actually take a hose and wash this down and get it nice and perfectly clean, and just make sure you let it dry out all the way before you put it back in here. And just check the inside, because you can see there is some stuff on the inside, so you can just make sure that's empty. You can even vacuum this out if you have another vacuum. There you go. That looks pretty good. Put that back in there. Install this. That back on, and then you can use this bag for more trash. There's all your dust. So, if you wanted to save some money and clean your filter instead of buying a new one, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.